Dear learners, today we will read a story on Deepa Karmakar in perfect balance taken from Pratham books and written by Srilata Menon. Let's start. Deepa loved to jump, she loved to climb trees, and most of all, she loved to run and play with her Pooja Didi. You can see Deepa and Pooja Didi in the picture. Deepa lived in Agartala, the capital of Tripura. Agartala is green and beautiful with agarwood trees and pineapple, orange and lychee orchards. दीपा अगरतला में रहती थी और अगरतला एक हरियाली और सुंदर प्रदेश था. Her Baba was a national weightlifting champion. On most days, she went with him to the gymnasium where he was a coach. Me and Baba wanted both their daughters to take up sports. So, at the age of 5, Deepa started training. Gymnastics is a lot like acrobatics and aerobics. Quick movements, fluid twists and turns, breathtaking somersaults on narrow beams, vaults and uneven bars. Gymnastics need balance, lots of mental effort and control over muscles. Deepa started training, but she was so scared of falling that she couldn't even step onto the beams. She threw tantrums and complained a lot. Baba believed that she would get over the fear. He was right. बाबा को तब भी उस पर यकीन था कि वो डर से आगे बढ़ जाएगी और वो सही भी थे. We Deepa was cartwheeling. Whoosh! She was sailing through the air. Baba and her coach Soma Nandi were so happy. वो different movements को try करने लगी. When Deepa turned 9, she participated in the balancing beam event in the 2022 Northeastern Games, and guess what? Deepa won the gold medal. What a golden moment for her. Deepa still had to work hard. She was flat-footed, which means that the soles of her feet did not have the usual natural curve. Flat feet affect how a gymnast runs and how she lands on her feet during jumps. But Deepa had come so far, she decided she would not give up. जो दीपा के जो पैर थे वो flat थे. Her coach Soma Nandi introduced her to Guruji Vishweshwar Nandi, who took over her training. Soon she was doing special exercises that helped her feet develop an arc. Gymnastics has never been popular in India. It did not matter to Deepa that she did not have the best infrastructure or space to train in. Guruji created equipment with scooter parts to serve as springboards. Crash mats were piled on top of one another to become her vaulting platform, and seats from old cars. Deepa's days were busy. Deepa ran, she jumped, twisted and turned, she did rolls and stands on her head for 8 hours a day. You can see in the picture what all she did. Her bones ached and her muscles were painfully sore. She was moody, hungry and very tired. उसकी हड्डियाँ दर्द करने लगी और वो बहुत ही थक जाती थी इतनी प्रैक्टिस करके. Like most children, Deepa loved ice cream, but she was put on a strict diet. दीपा को बाकी बच्चों की तरह आइसक्रीम बहुत पसंद थी, पर उन्हें स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट को फॉलो करना पड़ता था. She sometimes had to live and train in a sports hostel far from home, and on top of all that she had exams. Did she mind working so hard? No, she did not. All Deepa wanted was to win medals and become the best. You can see in the picture that Deepa is clicking a picture with the medal. The years went by and Deepa won all the junior and national titles she competed in. However, she did not win anything at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Ashish Kumar became the first Indian gymnast to win medals at that event. It was a proud moment for India. Deepa was inspired by this win. She was determined to do better. आशीष कुमार 2010 कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में विनर बने थे और दीपा उनसे बहुत इंस्पायर हुई थी. 4 years later, Deepa won the bronze at the 2014 Glasgow Commonwealth Games and also at the 2015 Hiroshima Asian Gymnastics Championship. It was so thrilling to stand on the winner's podium. आप देख सकते हैं कि दीपा ने कितने मेडल्स जीते इतने हार्ड वर्क के बाद. So far, Deepa had won 77 medals and that included 67 gold medals. But Guruji wanted her to make a mark in the international arena. She had to perfect something that had not been attempted by most gymnastics, something bold and dangerous. Guruji trained her to do the Produnov vault. It was named after the first woman who mastered it. You can see the name of the women. Only 4 other women in the world had landed this extremely dangerous maneuver. In 2016, Deepa was 23 and she was ready to show her skills to the world at the Rio Olympics. The country waited eagerly to see her win the medal, but her performance left everyone awestruck. As Deepa began training for the next Olympics, she also had a new plan up her sleeve. She wanted to create a new gymnastic maneuver. When Roman gymnast Nadia met her, she said, "Good for India to have a role model in Deepa Karmakar." Deepa continues to make India proud. Deepa अभी भी हमें proud कराती है.